Hello, welcome back to our tutorial on Korean geometry. I'm sure all of you have done these chapters, that's why you're looking at this video or watching this video. But in any case, if you have not done this chapter, let's get into this, okay? So the first thing about Korean geometry that you are taught is how to find the distance between 2 points or the length of a line segment, okay? It means the same thing basically. And to find the distance or length, you need to use the formula, which is given by y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square, and you need to square root the whole equation. Okay, the whole answer of the sum of the two squares. Okay, so I just want to clarify, some schools will teach you or will tell you to find the length or distance, you take x2 minus x1 with a square here, plus y2 minus y1 with a square here, and the whole thing square root. Okay, it is the same thing, okay? It's just a matter of moving the x2 minus x1 to the front and y2 minus y1 square to the back. Okay, so it is still possible, and it is also okay if you choose to not use if you choose to not use x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1, meaning you can also use y1 minus y2 and x1 minus x2 as long as they are consistent. Okay, so in this case, I can use, if I were to use y2 minus y1, I cannot use x1 minus x2 with a square. This is not allowed. Okay, if you want to use the 2 minus 1, then it must be consistent, 2 minus 1. Okay, so let's look at the question on the left hand side of the screen. There's a few questions here, and I'm just going to pick part A, where it's given by the coordinate of A is given by 2, 2. So A is 2, 2, and B is 7, 4. So how do you label your x1, y1, and so on? It really doesn't matter. In this case, okay, I'm going to use this as my x1, therefore this y1. So this x2 and this is y2. You can change the definitions, but they must be consistent. x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay? So to find the length or distance, okay, we are going to use the formula which is given by, so y2 minus y1, it means 4 minus 2 with a square here, plus x2 minus x1 means 7 minus 2 with a square here. And I need to square root the whole thing. So you can use your calculator to put in the numbers, but for me, I'm going to just get 4 minus 2 is 2 squared equals to 4. So I got 4 plus 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 squared is 25. So I got 25. So it's 4 plus 25, meaning I need to find the square root of 29. So using your calculator, you will get 5.385. Okay, that's a long decimal number. So we're just going to leave this in 3 SF, means 5.39. Okay, so this is how you find the distance or length of a line segment given 2 points. All right. Watch the next video where they will tell you the distance given or the length of the line segment, but one of the coordinate in the one of the values in the coordinates is missing. Okay, so stay tuned for part 2 of distance or length of a line segment. See you soon.